On a sunny day, a blonde girl named Alice, wearing a blue dress and holding a book, approaches a gigantic rabbit hole. Her eyes are filled with curiosity and excitement as she prepares to jump in.
Isn't this 3D animation video absolutely stunning? And did you know that you can generate this kind of AI video for free with just one click using one AI tool? Let me walk you through exactly how to create one. If you want to learn more techniques for creating AI videos, subscribe to my channel. This will be your ticket to becoming an AI expert. First, we can use ChatGPT to generate the story script and details. Just give ChatGPT your story idea and it'll expand on it with detailed narratives. As you can see, ChatGPT creates a very detailed storyline. Honestly, it's like having the world's smartest brain at your fingertips. The efficiency is incredible. You'll notice that ChatGPT organizes the story by different scenes, providing you with the corresponding visuals and prompts for each one. It's super convenient. The final step is to copy this story and paste it directly into the AI generation tool. First, let's head down to the comments section below and open Novi AI. Wow, look at this interface. It's so clean and user-friendly. On the left, you'll see the toolbar, which includes features like text-to-video and the super popular cat video generator. On the right, there's a showcase of finished projects. Let's open one and take a look. Whoa, it's a 3D animated story about a rabbit. The visuals are so vivid and lifelike. Seeing this really makes me want to start creating right away. Open Novi AI, paste the story text from ChatGPT into the prompt input area of Novi AI. Here, you can select the video's aspect ratio and language. I'll go with 16:9 and English. Now it's time to choose the style for your video. As you can see, there are several different styles to pick from: 3D cartoon, Disney style, comic book, GTA, anime, and more. You can choose whichever style best suits your story. Since my video is about animals, I'm going with Pixar style. Once you've made your selections, just click AI Generate. Then select Generate. Wow, Novi AI processes the text and produces beautiful images. When it's done, you'll see how the AI splits your story into multiple scenes. Each scene gets its own image, so the more lines your script has, the more scenes it'll generate. It's worth mentioning that Novi AI does an excellent job with story digestion and consistency. I hardly need to modify many scenes. Overall, 90% of this Alice in Wonderland story is already complete. If you want to make changes to individual scenes, you can easily input your modifications here. Click the button on the right of the image to re-enter the prompt and regenerate any scenes you're not satisfied with. Let me demonstrate. For example, in this image, the main character should be Alice. So let's go back to our script, copy the description, and add details about Alice's appearance. Just a few adjustments and you can generate the image you want. Isn't that convenient? There's another image where I simply adjusted the input instructions and it worked perfectly. Novi AI includes all the elements you need, eliminating the need for additional voiceover or editing software. You can complete the entire video production in one AI tool. It's incredibly convenient and time-saving. Highly recommended. If you want to add new scenes, you can do that too. Just click here to add new drawings and scenes. If you want to turn the images into animations, just click here to generate it with one click. Wow, let's take a look at the finished video together.
On a sunny day, a blonde girl named Alice, wearing a blue dress and holding a book, approaches a gigantic rabbit hole. Her eyes are filled with curiosity and excitement as she prepares to jump in. The hole is deep and mysterious, surrounded by strange plants and shadows, creating a dreamlike atmosphere. Alice sits at a long table filled with various odd teapots and delicious treats. Next to her is the white rabbit, who looks happy and quirky. The environment is vibrant with colorful flowers and peculiar clocks, exuding a cheerful yet chaotic vibe. Alice stands in the Queen of Hearts garden, surrounded by blooming red roses. The queen sits majestically on her throne, displaying anger and arrogance, her head shaped like a red heart. Alice looks determined and brave, as if confronting the queen. In the background, soldiers and card gardeners busy themselves pruning flowers, creating a tense atmosphere. In a mysterious forest, Alice gazes at a smiling Cheshire cat. Her expression is filled with wonder and excitement, while the cat's grin is sly and enigmatic. Surrounding them are colorful mushrooms and strange plants, evoking a whimsical and magical ambiance. On a sunny grassy field, Alice sits on a large rock in front of a vibrant parrot. The parrot is speaking playfully, and Alice looks surprised and joyful, holding a piece of fruit to feed it. The area is filled with blooming wildflowers and fluttering butterflies, with a large tree in the background, creating a warm and pleasant atmosphere.
The best part is, with just one tool, Novi AI, you can go from text to video in one click. It couldn't be easier. I put the download link in the comments below, so go and grab it for free. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.